Lockdown or not, Medical Association calling for more restrictions to curtail COVID spread, even as WHO suggests otherwise.
JTA welcomes Education Ministry's suggestion for face-to-face classes in some schools.
And local COVID death count jumps again. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: under what circumstances would you welcome face-to-face teaching for your child?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.